are very well at your home. So let's move fast. I think you have done your homework, whatever I gave you at last class. Everybody have the homework, all the word meanings of first chapter. Very good, everyone. Is there anything remain in chapter reading first? First chapter reading, anything remain? I have to read the chapter again. I'm going to read the chapter again, okay? There is nothing remain in chapter first reading. Everybody is saying no, ma'am. So let's do the question answers of first chapter. Okay? What is the moral of the chapter first? The father, the son, and the pony. Text me. So first of all, we should know the moral of the chapter first. Write down the moral. No picture means write down the moral. Moral is when we are certain that we have good reasons for doing something, we should decide and do what we have planned with courage and confidence. Write down first, after that we will discuss. When we are certain that we have good reason, this is good reasons for doing something, we should decide and do what we have planned with courage and confidence. Confidence means everybody know Atmavishwas, Atmabal. Courage means Shakti. So, are you able to see whatever I have written here at this whiteboard? Very good, everyone. I'm going to repeat the moral. Write down, everyone. Please note down the date. Date-wise, you have to note down all the classwork and your fair homework. Okay? So, moral of the first chapter is when we are certain that we have good reasons for doing something, we should decide and do what we have planned with courage and confidence. इस चैप्टर से हमें यह मॉरल मिलती है, यह नैतिक शिक्षा मिलती है कि जो जिस काम से कोई नुकसान ना हो वो काम हमें करना चाहिए. हमें हमेशा अपने काम को करने से पहले ये सोचना चाहिए कि ये हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कितना लाभदायक होगा, कितना हानिकारक होगा, हमारे जीवन के लिए ये कितना उपयोगी होगा, कितना गलत साबित होगा. तभी हमें कोई काम करना चाहिए with full confidence and courage. Ma'am, we will also do it in the fair. Yes, you have to write down all the things whatever we are discussing and write down in classwork. What are you saying, Abhigyan? Repeat the moral. courage and confident. Let's move towards the question answer. Everybody have noted down the moral? I hope yes. Everybody is saying that yes. Okay, move towards the first question. Your first question is, what did the father and the son do every time pupil said something about them? Question number 1 is, write down. I'm going to write all the question also because many students have not the book itself. What did the father and the son do every time pupil said something about them? कि दोनों पिता और जो बेटे थे, जब भी कोई इंसान उन लोग को टोकते थे, कुछ बोलते थे, तो वो लोग क्या करते थे, वो दोनों? उसका आंसर आपको लिखना है. Write down the answer of first question. Are you writing, everybody? Very good. Write down the answer. Answer is, the father and the son every time got influenced by the pupil. By the pupil said something about them. Repeat the question. Question is, what did the father and the son do every time pupil said something about them? दोनों जो बाप बेटे थे, वह जब इंसान कोई भी रास्ते में कुछ उनको टोकता था, बोलता था, तो वो लोग कैसे रिएक्ट करते थे? They always get influenced by the pupil whatever they are saying. वो हमेशा डिस्टर्ब हो जा रहे थे. जो जो रास्ते में लोग उनके बारे में कहते थे, वो बात सुन के डिस्टर्ब हो जा रहे थे. हमें कभी डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना चाहिए, दूसरों की बातों पे ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए, अपने कर्मों पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. इस चैप्टर में आपको यही सबक सिखाया जा रहा है, यही चीज का मॉरल दिया जा रहा है. क्लियर?